Hi, my name is Brittany Leopold, and this is my A635 6-minute presentation. I am presenting today to Dr. Pia Hardy, the principal of Garden City Elementary School, and Dennis Tackett, the chief financial advisor for Wayne Township Schools. My proposal today is called No More Excuses. This proposal is for a book study for the Garden City Elementary leadership team. I would like the leadership team to do a book study on Robert Jackson's book called No More Excuses, Educating Black and Latino Males. Robert Jackson is an Indianapolis native, and he went to Indianapolis schools, and he experienced a lot of the things that I'm going to talk to you about that our Black and Latino males are experiencing in schools today. Another reason for this book study is that Wayne Township's district equity team has called for all schools to start offering professional development on the topic of equity. And this book will help us increase our cultural competency and hopefully in the end reverse dropout rates. So more specifically to Garden City Elementary School, the school improvement plan has a section in it where we are specifically targeting the success of our Black and Latino males. We know that over and over, and this isn't just in this school, but in schools all over the United States, that our Black males are disproportionately disciplined, failing classes, standardized tests, dropping out, all those things. And so my hope for this book study is that we can teach our teachers how to better educate our Black and Latino males so that we can increase our test scores, increase classroom success, and decrease discipline suspensions specifically for our Black and Latino males. I'd like to take a look today at some very alarming statistics. The first statistic that you see is one that I found from Robert Jackson himself, the author of the book that I would like. He says that currently less than 55% of Black and Latino males graduate from high school. That, I think it goes without saying that that's not okay, and we as educators need to take a look and see what's going on and how can we help that? How can we increase the graduation rates for them? Another statistic that I found from the Your Life Matters report that the mayor's office recently put out is that Indiana's percentage of Black male students who experience out-of-school suspensions was 27% and was tied for the second highest percentage among all states in Marion County. So not only are our Black males not graduating at the numbers that we'd like to see them, they're also being kicked out of school. I think that it goes without saying that that's a huge problem, and as educators, like I said, we have got to find something to do for this problem. So I'd like to take a look now at the Indy Star article that was written recently about the Your Life Matters report. In this article, there are some more alarming statistics. A couple of them that stood out to me was that attendance was the 5th most common reason for students to be thrown out of school. And this is specifically talking about our Black males. And so if they are being kicked out of school, how can we be educating them the way we need to be? And I think that this book study is a solution to that problem. Like I said, we can learn how to better educate our Black and Latino males. Another one that was very alarming was that it says that though Blacks make up only 9.5% of the population in Indiana, 37% of inmates in the Indiana Department of Correction in 2012 were Black males. We've got a problem, and we've got to fix it. And that's why I'm asking you to support this proposal for a book study for the Garden City Elementary leadership team. This graph is specific to Wayne Township. It starts at 2008 and ends in 2013. And it just shows the out-of-school suspensions for our Black students, Hispanic students, and Caucasian students. And we see that year after year, our Black students are being suspended out of school more than any other student. And so I think when we see data like this, we have to do something. The budget for this proposal, each book costs $23.99. There are 12 staff members on the Garden City leadership team, and I'm asking for 15 total books. The expenditures for this proposal, the total cost of this proposal is going to be $359.85. Continuing on with the budget, I would like for the money to come out of the professional development fund that Garden City has, and we know that it's always important to overestimate your expenditures and underestimate your revenue. So the professional development fund for Garden City actually starts out at $18,000. But for the purpose of doing that, underestimating what we've got, I'm going to say that the fund starts at $15,000. So if we start the fund there and we take the cost of the books, the 15 books that I'm asking for, the professional development fund still has $14,640.15, which is a lot of money left to do some other really great things. This proposal does not produce any revenue. It's no monetary revenue, I guess I should say, but it is an investment in the success of our students, in our building and in our community. And we know that that's what Garden City is all about: success, seeing growth with our students. And so this proposal ties directly to the mission statement for Garden City Elementary School. There are many, many benefits for this proposal. One is that it's a one-time cost and the benefit is going to last forever. We buy these books today and we can use them over and over and over, as it says here. It's a reusable project. It's also sustainable. It's not something every year that we're going to have to be spending money on because we've bought the books once and we can continue to use them. This proposal also eliminates the need to hire an outside source to do professional development for the remaining staff members in the building. Because the leadership team is going to do the book study, they are going to, once the book study is over, offer professional development for the remaining staff members in the building. It is also a strategic plan for increasing our student achievement, and it considers the achievement of our students and the cost. It's a low cost for professional development for our staff, and I think that we'll see that the benefits are going to far outweigh any costs that we have. Thank you for listening to my proposal, and I hope that you consider spending the money on this book study. I don't think you'll be disappointed in the results.